Yes, sir. Ready for the mic? Check the phone, mic. 1212. Dealing with you fucking bitches. You motherfuckers ain't shit. You my dad, bitch. You would rather get high in a fucking ditch on crack, you fucking piece of shit. You ain't nothing to me. If I stood face to face to you right now, you'd fucking believe. Yes, indeed, for leaving me. Guess what? You was no fucking father in my eyes. You was supposed to be my hero. You was fucking zero. You weren't there for me. Well, guess what, bitch? I got my own kid on the fucking way, ready to be a fucking father. Play with my kid every fucking day out in the fucking snow. I can see my future from now, and how I know is I'm gonna be a better dad than you, cause I stayed away from crack, so fuck you. It's your problem now. Well, guess what? You ever come up to me trying to get in my family? Well, guess what? You fucking bleed, cause I cut you, yes indeed, cause you was nothing but a goof to me. You had 8 years or more than that since you got deported, couldn't call back, couldn't find me, nothing. I got Facebook, you fucking bitch. Well, guess what? That's all you ever be to me. You will never be nothing, you fucking bitch. You are cracking and you fucking frontin'. I hope you're running from a fucking mob of people. Hope you get stapled to the cross, you bitch. You ain't nothing to me. You just a bitch, a sperm donor on the fucking street of Trinidad and fucking Tobago. Hope you die, bitch. I call you bitch. Notice how I don't say dad? Kid, you wasn't around, so guess what, bitch? You belong in a fucking body bag for being a faggot, a maggot infested, molested, bitch. Mentally deranged, it's strange that you'd rather smoke crack than spend time with your fucking kid. Well, guess what? You was a skid and you need to fucking die, bitch. That's the fucking truth, you garbage. You'd rather smoke that shit than deal with your kid. Guess what? I have no respect for you, so fuck you and everyone you ever knew. Who sold you crack? I don't give a fuck. It's fucking whack that you picked that up, so guess what? I'm singing this song, I don't have it wrong. I'm singing it right, nigga, we will fight. If I ever fucking see you in the street, you best believe we're gonna fight. And I will knock you in your teeth, you fucking bitch. You wanna leave me for fucking crack? Guess what? You're a bitch and this is me fighting back. I never seen you, I don't even know your name. You fucking bitch, you might as well be hiding in shame. You niggas wanna be, if I see you on a missing milk carton, homie, best believe I won't know you. Don't care if you die, fuck you. I'm out, Richard Phillip, you fucking goof. You ain't shit. You will never be. You're gonna be better than you ever will, you fucking bitch ass.